So hello everyone, once again we are here with a new topic about sports, that is famous Paralympic athletes. So Paralympic is a game just like Olympics that we have discussed in our previous video, but this is meant to be for the disabled peoples. Okay, so the Paralympic games are a multi-sport events for athletes with physical, mental and sensorial disabilities. Look, physical disabilities means some person who does not have legs, yeah, they have to lose their legs in any accident or some incident. Okay, mental disability, sensorial disability. So the persons of these type of disabilities are allowed to participate in an Olympic event which is called Paralympic. Okay, this includes mobility disabilities, amputees, visual disabilities and those with cerebral palsy. Okay, so Paralympic, that is the fourth topic from sports. Similar to Olympics, Paralympics is a major multi-sport event. Major multi-sport event. Yes, beta. It happens. Yeah, it starts just after the Olympics. है ना? That is why it is called Paralympic, in which many of the famous athletes are there. So we will discuss one on one. She is a swimmer from USA. Even though she is blind from birth, she is blind from birth, है ना? But she has a dedication that I have to win the Paralympic or I have to do something in my life. Then she competed in Paralympic and has won highest number of medals in swimming at the Paralympic Games. So here she is. Her name is Trisha Zone. Her name is Trisha Zone and she is an American Paralympic swimmer. Okay, blind from birth, she completed Paralympic swimming. She is the most successful athlete in the history of Paralympic game. Although she is blind from birth, but she is the most successful athlete in the history of Paralympic games. Okay, she won 55 medals, including which was inducted into Paralympic Hall of Fame in 2012. Okay, Hall of Fame means the highest achievement in any sport. Okay, means like in cricket, Sachin Tendulkar got the Hall of Fame, Mahendra Singh Dhoni also. Okay, so here is the second athlete. She is a Norwegian skier who has won multiple gold medals at Paralympic Games. Okay, she holds a record of winning the highest number of medals in Winter Paralympics. है ना? So here she is. Her name is Reinhild Michael Burst. What is her name? Her name is Reinhild Michael Burst. She is a Norwegian Nordic skier. You can see here. Here she is. Okay, and multiple gold medal winner at Paralympic Games. To date, she holds the record for the most ever medals won at the Winter Paralympics. है ना? Most of the medals ever won by any single person, then only she have the record in which she has won, means out of total 27 medals she won 22 gold medals, and this is the actual Hall of Fame. Okay, so now the third one is, yes, he is the first Indian Paralympian to win 2 gold in javelin throw. है ना? What is javelin throw? I will show you the picture in the next slide. One in 2004 and another in 2016. Now after long time of 12 years. Okay, so his name is Devendra Jajaria. Okay, his name is what? Devendra Jajaria. He is from India and he have won 2 gold medals. One in 2004 and another in 2016. Okay, thrower completing in F46 events. He is the first Indian Paralympian to win 2 gold medals at the Paralympics. Okay, this is javelin throw. It is played in our school also. If you remember, before the previous sports event that was held in our school, we have the game of javelin throw also. Okay, Yes, now the fourth one, she is a German alpine sky racer who lost one of her legs in farm accident. Okay, while she was farming, she met an accident where she had to lose her leg. She has 19 Olympic medal to her credit. Okay, what is her name? Her name is Reinhild Moller. Okay, what is her name? Her name is Reinhild Moller. She is a German former alpine sky racer. She is the only alpine sky racer to win 19 Paralympic medals. है ना? She is the only one who has won this much of medals. She has also won 4 Paralympic medals in athletics also. Okay, not just in one sport she is perfect, but she is an athlete also. When she was 3 years old, she lost half of her left leg in a farm accident. She has lived in the United States since about 1990, and after 1990 she is living in United States of America. So here is the fifth one. Yes, she is the pride to us. She is the first Indian woman to win medal in Paralympic Games. Okay, she is the first Indian woman. So in 2016 Summer Paralympics, she has won a silver medal in shot put. Okay. So what is her name? Her name is Deepa Malik. Here she is. Here is the images. Here are the images. So Deepa Malik is an Indian athlete. She has started her career at the age of 30. At the age of 30, beta, where many of the peoples have lost their hope that even now they can play the sports. She is the first Indian woman to win a medal in Paralympic Games and won a silver medal at 2016 Summer Paralympics in shot put. She also won gold medal in the F53-54 javelin event at the Para Athletic Grand Prix held in Dubai in 2018. Okay. Yes. So here is another Indian. Who is he? He is a high jumper. Okay, who represented India in 2016 Summer Paralympic Games and won gold in the finals. He is the gold medalist. Not first, but he is the gold medalist. Okay, Mariyappan Thangavelu. What is his name? His name is Mariyappan Thangavelu. Here you can see the event. This is the line. And he is a high jumper. So Indian Paralympic high jumper. He represented India in 2016 Summer Paralympic Games held in Rio de Janeiro in the men's high jump T42 category. Okay, winning the gold. He is India's first Paralympian gold medalist since 2004. And who is the gold medalist in 2004? We have discussed just now. His name is Devendra Jajaria. Here is the slide. Let me show you again. Look, he is the gold medalist in 2004. So after him, the person whose name is what? Mariyappan Thangavelu, he won the gold medal in Paralympics that were held in Rio de Janeiro. Okay? Yes. So there is always something more to know. So here is something more. Murlikant Petkar, he is the first Paralympic athlete from India. Okay? He is the first Paralympic athlete from India to win an individual gold medal in the 1972 Summer Paralympics. Okay? Here is his image. Yes, here are the images. So Murlikant Petkar is India's first Paralympic gold medalist. He won an individual gold medal in 1972 Summer Paralympics in Heidelberg, Germany. He set a world record in the 50-meter freestyle swimming event. He is a swimmer. So 50 meter in just 37.33 seconds. Okay. Now in the same games he participated in javelin, precision javelin throw and slalom. Okay. So now that's it for today's class. Thanks for watching and do subscribe the channel if you like it.